Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Yamaha RX-V565 AV receiver. This unit is designed to be the central hub for your home entertainment system, bringing powerful sound and versatile features to your living room. Right off the bat, the RX-V565 boasts a substantial 7-channel amplifier configuration, delivering 90 watts per channel for a total output of 630 watts. This kind of power is more than capable of driving most speaker setups and filling a medium to large room with dynamic, engaging sound, perfect for both movies and music. For those serious about audio quality, this receiver comes equipped with support for all the major high-definition audio formats. We're talking Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Digital True HD, DTS HD High Resolution Audio, and DTS HD Master Audio. This ensures that you're getting the uncompressed, studio-quality sound from your Blu-rays and other high-definition sources, providing an incredibly immersive listening experience that truly puts you in the middle of the action or the performance. Yamaha hasn't skimped on the internal components either. The RX-V565 utilizes Burr Brown 192 kHz 24-bit digital-to-analog converters, or DACs, on all channels. These are high-quality components known for their ability to accurately reproduce the digital audio signal, resulting in clean, detailed, and accurate sound reproduction across the entire frequency range. This attention to detail in the conversion process is crucial for achieving high-fidelity audio. Adding to its audio credentials is the inclusion of pure direct mode. When activated, this feature bypasses non-essential processing circuits, providing the shortest possible signal path. This is particularly beneficial for listening to stereo music, as it aims to deliver the purest, most uncolored sound possible, preserving the original recording's integrity. While its strength lies in audio, the RX-V565 also handles video. It includes analog video upscaling capabilities, meaning it can take older standard definition sources, whether they are 480i or 480p, and convert them to a full HD 1080p signal. This can be a handy feature for integrating legacy video equipment like VCRs or older game consoles into a modern high-definition display setup, potentially improving the picture quality slightly. In summary, the Yamaha RX-V565 is a feature-rich AV receiver that prioritizes sound quality and power. Its 7-channel amplification, comprehensive HD audio format support, high-quality Burr Brown DACs, and pure direct mode make it a strong contender for anyone looking to build or upgrade their home theater system with a focus on immersive and accurate audio performance. It provides a solid foundation for enjoying movies, music, and games with impactful and detailed sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.